Now I am going to tell you how to group and sort the activities. It's very important feature available in the Primavera. Organize activities by grouping one or more data items like phase, department, responsible person, dates, total float, custom user fields, and others. Grouping data enables you to focus on activities that have something in common. Group and sort, we can go to the group and sort by clicking on this icon, or either you have to go to the view toolbar, expand it, and see group and sort by. So this window will be open. So here you can use different features. See here the group by. If we delete this option and I will apply, only activities are showing in the activity table. So independent of WBS, activities are organized according to their activity ID. So you can organize or group by using this icon. We will go again in this option and I will select WBS. I will just type W for WBS. It will appear WBS. Now I will apply and you can see again the WBS feature, and we are organizing our project according to the WBS level. Here we can use other features as well. If you see shrink vertical grouping bands, you can see this band, these bands. If I will shrink, I will check mark this button, it will reduce its width. So you can see after applying, I apply, and you can see that this width has been reduced. So if I use this option, show grand totals, so see what happened, apply, and at the top you can see total. All of the WBS has been summed up at the top, same like project level, this level 1. So if you want to see the summary only, just click this one and apply, and you will see all the WBS summaries. It means that it's up to the level 4 in which we have described the WBS. I'm going to again uncheck this option, apply. Then I will go here. If you want to change the colors and fonts of the WBS, you can use this feature. Simply click on the font. It will open the font category. Here you can use any font. You can change the size of the font. You can change the font style. You can change the color of the font. So I'm just, for the practice, I'm going to change the color as a black. You will see I will apply, it is not appearing correctly, so I'm going to change that color which can be easily visible in blue. I'm going to use white color. So you can see here, apply, and you can see here the white color is being showing in the blue color. Same you can this is the level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5. So our WBS is defined up to level 4, so you can change your colors and sizes according to our requirement. For example, I am going to change the color of level 3. I am using this option. I check gray color, and I am going to change the font size. I am going to use font size 10, apply, and here again I am going to use another color. Suppose this color is used, and here I want to change the font size, apply. See that it has been changes has been done in this activity table format. So you can also use this hide if empty option. If I will click this button, it means that those WBS which are without the activities, it will be hide. Sort bands alphabetically. if you want to sort the groupings or bands alphabetically, like architecture on the first, for example, in the level 1 milestone engineering. So engineering will come up to the milestone because alphabetically E comes before M. Then here comes title. If you want to see the title, I just click title and apply. You can see that here the title is also showing with the project name. Here it is the WBS, it is WBS, so it is showing all the title against the WBS. Then coming to the active ID code, if I click on this one, then project ID is showing here, WS ID is showing here. So it's up to you how you want the layout. So I'm going to again uncheck this option and apply. So in this way you can use this group and sort option. Now if you want to see another option, we have created the activity codes. So if you want to see our project according to some activity code level, then we can change from here again. Simply put this delete button. It will again in the form of just list of activities. Suppose we want to see our project zone area wise. So I will just click zone activity code which we have defined and linked with the activities is going to show here. I will apply here, and our project is organized in the form of zone area. So you can see here, if I go right click and collapse all of the areas which we have defined and assigned with the activities are showing here. No zone area is also showing here. The those milestones which are not under some area is showing under no zone area. In this way you can organize the activities according to our zone area wise. So but here you can see that the project name is not mentioning. It's very difficult for someone to understand. So I will go to the group and sort button again. Here I will type project, ERO project. I on the second level I want to define zone area. Apply. You can see here on the top project level is defined, and under that all of the areas are defined. So in this way you can organize your project in zone area wise. Now I will tell you how to organize the project according to responsible manager. While again go to the group and sort option. Here instead of zone area I'm going to write here responsible person, responsible manager. Apply. So you can see here the OBS which has been defined and assigned to the WBS. You can see that these all are organized according to that responsible positions or responsible managers. Now again I will go to the group and sort option, and if I want to see the activities location wise, because we have defined the activity code location as well. So we want to organize the activities according to the location. So I will simply select location, apply, and you can see here there is only one region, that is Punjab. We have we can see all this project is under the project Punjab region. So all of the activities are coming in the Punjab region. Now again into the group and sort option. Instead of location I am going to use task location. I will apply, and you can see all the activities categorized into area wise or region wise: Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi. And no task location, there will definitely there will be the milestones which are categorized in not in the location. So in this way you can use the group and sort option to organize the project into different levels, into in different ways according to the requirement of the client, according to your requirement, etc. We can organize the activities or group by in a different ways. There are some predefined features here. Activity type, you can organize by activity status, activity type. Then you can assign, you can organize the activities according to the critical nature. budgeted completion, cost wise, calendar wise. So you can see in a number of ways. If I select the discipline and assign here, so you can see the discipline wise activities here. So it's up to you how you want to organize and sort. One important thing is that we have sorted out or grouped by on the basis of activity codes. If the activity code is not assigned to the activity, on the left side you can see it will show no activity will come under that heading.